Hi students, welcome. This is Varsha Max. So this is 21th lesson trigonometric identities from the concise book. So this is exercise 21a and question number 43. So 1 minus cos square a by 1 plus sin a equal to sin a. So usually we should take that LHS and derive into the RHS. Okay, so that is what we are going to do that in same thing this sum also. So this is in this step we have to take LCM and then we can do the sum. So first we should recall some of the identities. So the identity which we are going to use in this sum, so that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 and cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta and sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So this is what we are going to use in this particular sum. Okay, so now take your LHS. So 1 minus cos square a by 1 plus sin a. Okay students, so this is we have minus sign. So whenever you have a minus sign and plus sign, we can take LCM. Okay, so for that this is 1. So what do you do? LCM method or cross multiplications, both are equal. So I am going to do the cross multiplication method, this one and this one. So this is 1 into, so you have 1 plus sin a and this is minus cos square a divided by 1 plus sin a. Okay, so this is the very first step. So when you want to do that cross multiplication or LCM method, when you have the plus sign or the minus sign. Okay, so in our class you have asked, ma'am, when you do cross multiplication, so when you have the plus sign or multiplication, okay, sorry, plus or minus, so in that time only. If you have multiplication, you can just cancel. Okay, so or you can just write as it is. So this is, see, we have just multiplied, cross multiplication. What is the next step? So this is 1 plus sin a minus, this is cos square a. Okay, so for this cos square a, we can write 1 minus sin square. So you have to give a bracket, 1 minus sin square a by 1 plus sin a. Okay, so why, ma'am, we have substitute this cos square for this? Because we have this RHS or only sin a, so we have to eliminate this cos. Okay, so in the trigonometry sums, all of the sums, we can see that right hand side what is there. So what is the steps we can do that. Okay, so you can decide after seeing that right hand side. Okay, so this is 1 plus sin a minus 1 and plus sin square a. So what we have done, just we have multiplied the minus because this minus is common for both the terms. So that is why the 1 is changed into minus 1 and sin square a, that is changed into plus, divided by 1 plus sin a. Okay, see, and which term can be cancelled? See, can cancel plus 1 and minus 1. So we get sin a plus sin square a by 1 plus sin a. So in the numerator we can take the sign outside. So sin a is come out. So this is 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. So we can cancel this term. So we get sin a as or RHS. So that's all, we got our answer. Okay students, do you understand, ma? Such a simple sum. Okay, so we can do one more method you may have. Okay, so let's try. Why don't we try for another method? Okay, so what method it is? See, this is 1 minus cos square a by 1 plus sin A. So 1 minus, this is cos square. Okay, so for this cos square we can write 1 minus sin square A. So this is 1 plus sin A. We should not disturb this 1. Okay, so this is 1 minus, this is of the form a square minus b square. So we can write 1 plus sin A and 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. So do you understand, Dhamma? Is this okay? So now see, in the, this is a divided sign, so we can just cancel. Which term can be cancelled? 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A. So we get 1 minus, the bracket it is 1 minus sin A. So this is 1 minus 1 plus sin A. So you can cancel 1 and minus 1. See, we get sin A. Yes, this is easiest. Okay, so this method is easiest than this method, I think. Okay, so this is, call it as method 1 and this is method 2. Okay, so do you understand, ma? Is this an interesting sum? So in many sums we can do more 2 methods or 3 methods every teacher. Okay, so there are 2 methods. Okay, students, so you just try, students. Okay, so whenever you have a question, why don't we try? Why don't we try a conjugate? Why are taking LHS? What is happening when the cross multiplication? Okay, when you substitute the cos square 1 minus sin square theta directly, what will happen? Okay, so just try it. Trial and error method. Okay, so you just think about that. Okay, so